guys, it's Joseph D here. Just an update to the last few videos. This is the same part for the same project. It's been milled with the dovetails, and now I'm milling shoulders on the sides of it, which is designed for this part to go in between. This is a milling table I got off eBay, which fits. It's about 2 inches wide by about nearly 300 millimeters long, so it's going to make a nice milling machine. That's part of it, you know, coming through. I'll take this out of here and show you so you can have a good look, because I've just done the last pass on that one. Here we go. It's a part that looks like this, and it takes the other part of the table, which is here. This table goes through it like so. Well, the dovetail goes through there. Very quickly before I go, I just want to recap about holding this cutter in this chuck. Lots of people say you're not supposed to do this. I agree, but I've only got a basic lathe, a basic Chinese lathe, and don't have an expensive bridge mill milling machine, and I'm not a company director with thousands of pounds worth of machinery. So this is the best of my ability. A carbide mill held, chucked very tightly using a 1/2 inch wrench socket, you know, socket wrench to tighten this extremely tight. It's tightened on all three, you know, sockets here on this, so it's not going to go anywhere. It's been on all that time, and I get a really good job. The milling cutter never drifts or moves or anything, so this is my way of doing it. It's not the best, but you know, I have an Emco FB2 mill in another place, in another shed. I can't get to it, so I've rigged up the lathe here to use it to do basic milling work. To be honest with you, this lathe actually works better than an FB2 mill. It's more rigid and less vibration. I've been very, very happy with it. Yeah, it's just a basic, you know, vertical table, you know, goes up and down, vertical slide with a degree tilt on it, which is, I've got a pin in the middle here to lock it solid on dead 90 degrees so it doesn't go anywhere. So I've taken all the precautions. I've been very happy with this. If you like to post positive comments, I love that. If you're going to post anything negative, please think before you do it, because it's very offensive. I mean, I don't do these things deliberately, and I don't do dangerous work practice. I just try and do the job the best I can to the best of my ability and safe. I'm just an ordinary member of the public, not a company director.